Hi, how to make a penalty zone. As you can see here, we have some different types of watery hindrance. There's the big river, stream, whatever it is, and then there's a small little thing. The big one is clearly simple. If you look at the map in 3D view, you can just put it in and you can see that it's a big river with water, and you can basically go underwater. So if you drive into this, you will sink down. But if you go up the sides here, you can see that it's fairly simple. You can also see that right here there's a little stream running out of the big river, but that's basically just a line on the map. It doesn't hinder your movements or anything, but I'm pretty sure that most armored vehicles, and especially wheel armored vehicles, would get stuck in this water, driving in and going out, at least some of the times. So, for instance, to make this a hindrance, instead of just being something on the map that doesn't mean anything at all, except you can drive straight over it, you can make a penalty zone that give your vehicle some kind of um, stoppage or whatever, so you can use it as a stream in the real world, so to speak. So if we go back to map view, the way to do that is for instance take an area, go to graphics, and then custom region, mark it out like this. Say okay. This is the area where you risk running into penalty if you're too close to the river, because the ground will be soft and spongy and whatever. Remove the text box and make sure that we're not hitting the actual road with that, because that would be bad. Okay, now you have your text box. Normally click on it and set color transparent, because you won't know when you drive up to a small stream how soft the ground will be, how saturated it will be. So it shouldn't be obvious on the map where the zone is, in my opinion. Then you go down to penalty zone and type, and then you can go up and say okay, tracks, and exempt helicopters and aircraft, and likelihood in say 90% or something of the time you'll be stuck. Okay, and then you have your penalty zone. That's how you make a penalty zone. It can also be a no-go area, for instance. If you say, okay, this wall is too steep to drive up and down, then you go to custom region, mark the area you think is the no-go area, and then set transparent, penalty zone type. This could mean you get destroyed, and exempt would be helicopters and aircraft, and likelihood 100, so we'll just leave it where it is. You also have the possibility to copy it to all other parties, which would normally be the way to go. So that's how you make penalty zones, and you have a whole host of different penalty type zones you can add. You can have the driver or loader or gunner or commander disabled, or you can have the commander's thermal sights unviewable, map view away, and so on and so forth. So you can just pick the kind of damage you want to have done in the area. Also, if you don't want people to drive outside of boundaries, you can make a penalty zone alongside the boundary a little bit away, so people cannot cross over the boundary line without having penalties. Okay, that was it. Bye.